Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bowling shoe that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BSI Men's Basic number 521 bowling shoes. We've chosen to start our review today with a pair of basic and budget-friendly bowling shoes from BSI Men, their number 521 bowling shoes. With a lightweight rubber outer sole and soft synthetic leather, they're perfectly functional and very smart looking, but what customers seem to appreciate most about these bowling shoes is just how comfortable they are and durable too. If you're making a move from occasional to a regular bowler, then these are a great initial investment. With microfiber on the outer sole, they give a good grip so you won't be slipping and sliding around, plus their lightweight construction means they won't fatigue your feet. There are some issues with inconsistent sizing, and apparently, they run a little large, so just keep that in mind. Overall though, these BSI Men's Basic number 521s come highly recommended given their attractive entry price point and overall comfort and performance. Make sure you also check our guide to the best spikeless golf shoes. Moving on, at number 4, we have the KR Men's Flyer bowling shoes. Next up from KR, we're taking a look at their Strikeforce Flyer bowling shoe, which is an eye-catching design that comes in a couple of different color options. Constructed from durable and lightweight man-made synthetic, you won't suffer from foot fatigue wearing these bowling shoes, so no matter how many games you're playing, certainly, your feet won't let you down. They feature Flex Side technology, which offers a superior and optimized sliding experience so that you're comfortable at all times. That outer sole is slightly softer than you'd expect on a regular shoe, and inside, it's all about comfort with a textile-lined padded tongue and collar. They're relatively easy to break in, so won't take weeks to become accustomed to wearing, and as you'd expect from a bowling shoe, have non-marking rubber soles. Another pair of potential bowling shoes that are both easy on the eye and the wallet. Our handy guide to the best tennis shoes features more great products like this. At number 3, we have the KR Strikeforce Men's Flyer Mesh bowling shoes. If you feel like you're past the point where rental shoes are cutting it, it's time to invest in a pair of KR Strikeforce bowling shoes. With these bad boys, you'll be the talk of the alley. The other bowlers will bow down as you approach the line. Okay, maybe we're getting a bit carried away, but the point still stands. These are some pretty awesome bowling shoes. We like the fact that they look like standard sneakers. The only difference is the rubber sole that is designed to slide both left and right. Plus, they're super comfortable thanks to the breathable mesh upper. If you want to look stylish and still keep your performance, the KR Strikeforce bowling shoes are a perfect choice. At number 2, we have the Pyramid Men's Ram bowling shoes. Our next best bowling shoe is very traditional looking and is the Pyramid Ram bowling shoe, which comes in either white with a striking black design on the side or black with a white design. Overall, it represents an affordable bowling shoe that delivers high quality as well as performance. Designed in what we would describe as a classic bowling style, it features a full sliding sole which is perfect for both left or right-handed bowlers and offers plenty of support. The shoe itself is easy to break in and comfortable to wear, and the rubber heel provides the wearer with controlled braking and balance on approach and execution. Sturdy metal eyelets with fully fastening laces ensure these shoes have a secure fit. It's a durable shoe backed by a 2-year manufacturer's warranty and is delivered in eco-friendly packaging. Find more great products like this by checking out our guide to the best spikeless golf shoes. And finally, at number 1, we have the Brunswick T-Zone bowling shoes. Another great option from Brunswick that won't break the bank and won't take much breaking in either. Their T-Zone bowling shoe features a comfortable synthetic upper and has been designed in the Blucher style for a comfortable and casual fit. In black with either a striking silver, blue to the pink toe cap, you get the sense that they've designed this shoe to capture the youth market who are embracing the popular bowling trend. They've come up with a shoe that will fit their style, is comfortable, budget-friendly, and has been designed in a casual and comfortable to wear style that will suit most types of bowler and levels, particularly those just getting started out. If you love jogging, check out our guide to the best running shoes.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.